If y'all didn't know how to make this paper popper, it's actually so simple. Just get like a color paper, fold it in half, and just like that line, you align it, then you go like actually like this, and then you go here. Do it one more time like this. And if you're done, just like you fold it like a line. Oh, wait.
Pag wala akong kakayahan, ginagawa nila yun ang paraan kung paano nila kapwa ko sasalo. Kalimit sa kapwa ko sinasalo. Pagkakakot ko sa buhay ko na masasabi ko na ako yung may sinalot sila. Lagi na kapwa ko sinasalo.
So like there's this gap here. Like you fold it like here.
Marami na sila at ganyan talagang wala eh.
This is also supposed to come.
Hindi naman laging wala sa habang panahon, kaya dapat talaga sisikap
Just
pa
like a
para
triangle.
hindi
It's gonna be like another triangle here. But you do the same, but you have to align it with the other triangle.
Kinakalma ko na lang ang aking sarili.
And then hold it like
ako'y mamatay pang
pop.
bigla dahil sa hirap ng
Hold it
loob sa
here.
kaya nga.
Make sure the back is
Sinadaloob
at the
mo yan sa
front.
kanila.
Go
Marami
strong
pang
and
baka naman baby. Akala ko magagawa ka na ng assignment.
Right, so can
Nabili
actually
yung
do it
ganyan din
sideways
sa,
too.
sa langkaan pag nakakakita.
Pero kasi yung sobrang tiniin.
Oo.
Parang
ano lang yan, yung alamang.
pang alamang mo.
Oo.